Today we are in the Britannia International Hotel in London over on Canary Wharf, and this is a twin city sleeper, I believe. This is a no window one, so as you can see we've got a TV, got a lovely wardrobe, with hangers, got a few hangers, some extra bedding blanket there, and an iron, and an ironing board, and we've got a table, a chair, looks a bit stained, another table up, Bible, phone, and it works, but don't know what number to ring. Lamp, just see how to turn this lamp on. Yeah, that works. Bed, thin quilts, thin pillows, not too bad. That one, yeah, not too bad, that one. Let's just check the mattress. Yeah, quite clean, firm. Another bedside table with another lamp. Yeah, that one works too. Nothing in that drawer. So look under the bed. And that one. Yeah. And so look at this bed. That one's alright. That one looks alright too. But yeah, new mattress looks that. No. Radiator. Lovely picture on the wall. Lovely light, skylight. Yeah, it looks a bit stained up there though. Looks like a leak or something. Tea, coffee, sugar. Let's have a look at the kettle. A little bit of lime scale on it, but generally clean. Wow, the stove's got water all over it where it's water in the cup. And same with that one. So, and then mirror, another chair, drawer, Remington hairdryer, what's this switch for? Ah, that's for that light. Call button reset, yeah, don't know what that's for. Right, let's have a look in the bathroom, shall we? Oh, this is an accessible bathroom. So yeah, so we've got shower cap, cups, and shampoo, soap, and body shower gel. Another soap there. Got shaver's light. Yeah, works fine. Toilet, quite clean. No, towels. They look clean as well. Then we've got shower curtain, Yeah, it's clean. That looks clean as well. Apart from there, hasn't been cleaned properly, I don't think, as you can see. Yeah, shower head's clean. That's what I like to see. Hate it when going to some hotels and shower head is not clean. So yeah, that's that one. Let's just check the telly work, shall we? Yeah, looks like that works.
And celebrating designer William Morris.
That definitely works.
Ignited the conservation movement in the 19th century.
But yeah, so ask if you can like, share it, and I also ask if you could subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything. Helps me get in the YouTube world. And thanks for watching. Thank you.